In Google Earth Studio, we can make 3D orbit animation like this. Let's see how to do it. Go to Google Earth Studio website. Then click the down arrow next to blank project and select Quick Starts. From this page, click on Orbit and Start. Here, search for your desired site. Let's search for Tokyo Skytree. In the viewer, you can adjust your position. Now, let's click this right arrow. In this page, you can change some settings. You can change the radius and target altitude and the altitude of the camera and heading angle. And when you are happy with the result, just click next. And here you can change the second. If you reduce the number of seconds, your animation will be faster. Now let's click OK and click render. We will render it as video. You can center the attribute position. And then click submit. To view the rendering process, you can click animation and then cloud renderers. We can see that our animation is almost done. When it will be finished, you will see a download button here. The file is ready. Let's download. And here is the final result. You can do a lot of other stunning animation in Google Earth Studio. Thanks for watching.